Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lower Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lower.myhomeservicing.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for Lower Mortgage right away. If you want to access for your loan, you can fill in the credentials and click on Find My Loan. Otherwise, if you already have an account, click on Sign In to log into your existing account. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email address section, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the Sign In button and you will be logged into your account with Lower Mortgage right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Lower Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.